So we are starting the questions related to trigonometric equations. Okay, the number of values of x in the interval closed bracket 0 to 3 pi satisfying the equation 2 sin square x plus 5 sin x minus 3 equal to 0. This is JEE Mains 2006 question. Let's see how to solve the problem. Okay, let's see here. Yes, yeah, let's see here. So what you have here equation is, so the equation, let us take the equation that is 2 sin square x plus 5 sin x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I told you already, when you have in quadratic form, either you have to split them or you have to use the formula, right? So what you have to do here now? You have to split them, right? If you split this one, 3 2s are 6. So you get as what here? 2 sin square x plus 6 sin x minus sin x minus 3 is equal to 0. So in this both 2 sin x can be taken out common. So sin x plus 3 will be common. In this both minus 1 common out. So sin x plus 3 is equal to 0 you get. So I can take out here sin x plus 3 common, then I get as 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Product of two things are 0, then I can write one is this is 0 or that is 0. So sin x plus 3 is equal to 0, or I can write as sin x 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. From this you get sin x is equal to minus 3. From this you get sin x is equal to half I will get. Correct? Yeah, 4, right. So sin x is equal to minus 3, no solution. See, listen. Here you have to understand first. Don't write, try to write first of all. Listen here, you have a quadratic equation. We have first splitted this one. Sin x equal to minus 3. Minus 3, no solution, negative. You know now, minus 1 is the maximum. So sin x equal to, you got how much? Half. But general solution we can write. What is general solution? Sin x is equal to half. Then general solution is what? We use general solution as sin x is equal to half. When you get sin pi by 6. Then you can write general solution x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 6. But he asked till where here? 0 to 3 pi. So you have to check this. So it's simple is general solution is, don't use the general solution for such things. Just draw a diagram of sin x. You know the sin x graph. So sin x graph will be like this. Right, this is the graph of sin x. This will be pi. This will be 2 pi. This will be 3 pi. Correct? Right. So 3 pi will be here. So what I know here, half when you will get, half you will get at pi by 6. Again you will get pi minus pi by 6. है ना, 90 minus theta, second quadrant also will get pi minus pi by 6. What is the answer? 5 pi by 6. Means you will get here answer half at pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Same thing can be happen here and can be happen here again. So this is the period, na? It repeats like. So how many places you are getting here answer? 4 places. So the answer is 4. A is equal to 4 is the right answer. Understood? See this method, in this method, whenever you see in the question sin x plus cos x, that the function is like this. Something of sin x plus cos x, something of sin x into cos x. If you see like this, and plus c is equal to 0, some such situations you find, then at that moment, means whenever you have in product and addition, sin cos combination, product and addition, then you can take that time. If it is there not only in plus, it can maybe minus. But sin x, cos x should be either plus or minus, and in product. At that time, you can take as sin x plus cos x as consider as something t, p, something, anything. You can just take as t. Then squaring on both sides, what I get here? sin x plus cos x whole square equal to t square, right? So what I get here, sin x, sin square x, squaring on both sides I am doing here, sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. So this value will become what? 1. So 2 sin x plus sin x into cos x is equal to t square minus 1. So sin x into cos x value will be how much? Sin x into cos x will be t square minus 1 by 2. So such things you have to do in this method. So you have to replace sin x cos x with t square minus 1. What happens here? This will convert in t and this is also will convert in t. So quadratic happens. Then simply you can simply means the equation will convert into single t's, all t's. So then you can simplify the t's, you will get the answer. Either it may be quadratic or anything, but it will convert into t's forms. And this is a constant number anyway. So our main agenda is to make sin x plus cos x, sin x into cos x into one form. And then we can simplify easily. Understood? Right? Note down.